malo kod mano mar Senate mapachoka yie keto maino e neno ni dwaro no chopo kare. Spika mar od bura mamalo Moses Wetangula owacho ni karo bedo ni dwaro no pod ok ochopo kare kinde mokalo piny Kenya osego ndamo e neno ni tend mine omi pek e thurka. Wetangula ne wuoyo e boma ma Naivasha kama no yawe ayanga romo mar jo od bura ma mine e bwo riwruok mar Kenya Women Parliamentary Association, nyasi ma bende no yuore gi spika mar Senate Amazon Kingi kod jatend migawo mar kit chwech Aisha Jumwa duto manopuoyo kwan joma mine manoyudo kombe mag siasa mosebedo ka medore pachoka.
So on the onset, anything that brings women to parity with men, I will support. Regardless of who brings it or how it is brought, because like Obama said, you cannot win a game if you are playing with half of your team outside the field. You cannot have a team of the first 11 and you field 6 men and leave out 5 women, or field 5 women and leave out 6 men. You must have a team.
You, honorable members, bear witness to the fact that in all our duties at the Senate and its diverse committees and panels, women legislators play key roles and exercise their leadership potential to the fullest. This we shall continue to do as and when occasion demands. Inevitably, we must come to the consensus that unless women achieve equal status within governance and political structures, our efforts to strengthen the democratic base and expedite crucial social and political reforms